To install the toe kick, you'll need a crosshead powered driver, an M4 hex key, one toe kick mounting plate, one toe kick, M8 by 16mm pan head screws, the top grill and the bottom grill. Attach the toe kick mounting plate to the plinth. If the toe kick depth is less than 3 5/8 inches, attach the ear toe kick seal to the middle of the back side of the mounting plate. To attach the top and bottom grills, install the top fixed grill with M8s by 16mm pan head screws and reinstall the bottom hinge pocket cover. The removable grill is clipped to the mounting plate. For toe kick heights of 4.5 to 5 inches, shorten the bottom grill by cutting along the vertical ribs. Each magnet is fitted with double-sided tape to be attached to the toe kick. Place the toe kick in front of the mounting plate. Ensure that the spaces at the back of the toe kick are aligned with the magnets. Attach the toe kick by pressing onto the mounting plate. For the stainless steel option, ensure the adhesive tape of the magnets adhere to the spaces of the toe kick. Ensure the bottom of the toe kick contacts the floor as you attach the mounting plate. To adjust the toe kick, loosen the cap screws of the adjustment brackets from both sides of the plinth using the hex key. Adjust the toe kick to the desired depth by moving it forward or backward. Retighten the cap screws of the adjustment brackets on both sides using a hex key.